I made this for the stray cats on my husband's patrol. I call them cat go-gurts. Cat beef jerky? Not quite sure what these are yet, but they look cool. Treats, food, catnip. Haha!
Okay, usually on patrol, you gotta have all your essential tools because you never know what you're gonna run into. Such as these guys. Look what I got. That one's excited. So is the other one. Oh, they love it.